Hey guys, what's up? It's Tony and welcome back. I'm talking you through this tutorial today, so let's get started. When most people think about applying makeup, they think about putting on foundation, applying their eyeliner, eyeshadow, mascara, and coloring their lips with a fun shade, right? However, what many people don't think about are the steps they should be taking to prepare the skin for the makeup. Preparing your skin for makeup ensures that it goes on evenly and stays put. The better your skin looks to begin with, the better the makeup will look and last. Yes. Oh, and I always get emails, texts, calls, DMs. Your eye cream before your moisturizer. Okay, guys? Eye cream before moisturizer. Thanks. Following this, I'm going to be using a lightweight foundation. It's by Estee Lauder. It's actually called Double Wear Light Foundation, 21 shades, 24-hour wear. It's oil free. It doesn't transfer to your clothes. It's definitely one of my go-tos if I want to use a light foundation. Soft brows, not using a pencil. I feel that pencils can be a little harsh looking, so I just used any old brow powder. Cleaned it up with the infamous MAC Pro Long Wear Painterly Pot that was barely nude. Oh, we're going to talk about these caviar metallic eye cream shadows from Laura Mercier. Let me tell you something. Baby, when you put that color on your lid, you better blend because the dry time on those shadows are quick. Once they set, it's not moving. Okay, Nick? It's not moving. You hear me? Guys, this is your traditional highlighting and contouring. You've seen it on YouTube because believe me, after this, I'm getting ready to upload mine. But it's the traditional highlighting and contouring. Yes, she's so cute. Oh, by the way, Nick, thanks for being my model. You'll see that I'm going to use a stippling brush to blend my highlighting and contouring. I feel that it just makes it a lot more seamless. Then afterwards, I'm going to use a damp beauty blender to push it into the skin so it doesn't sit. It looks a lot more natural that way. Oh, we're going in on this nose. It's getting snatched today. You hear me? Absolutely. Bake, bake, bake. Put it in the oven. You know the drill. Now, my model has high cheekbones already, so don't judge me, but I am going in. You'll see. Snatch that nose, yes. Told you. I'm going in. And I just cleaned it up with any translucent powder. All right, Bobbi Brown's about to show off. Look at that highlighter. Jeez. My goodness. Can I get an amen? All right, and that is, let me see, MAC's Blush in Sweet as Cocoa. Then I'm using a finishing powder by Bobbi Brown. And this Too Faced setting spray smells delicious. Smells just like coconuts. All right, don't judge me, but that lip color that you're seeing, I found it. I bought it from Walgreens. I don't remember the name, so please don't come at me. Yes, she's so beautiful. Thank you, Nick, for being my model. Get it, girl. Yes, thank you guys for having me. Peace.